Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to show how to link databases in Notion. Linking databases in Notion can be done in two different ways. First is relational links and second is linked views. So let's review how each of these two actually works. And let's start with a relational link between two databases. You can use this when you want two databases to reference each other. As you can see, I created a few databases with dummy data. So the one is projects and another one tasks. And let's try to link those two together. So to link one database with another, you should add a property to the database you want to link with another database. And here you should select relation. And when you select relation, you obviously select database you want to link to. And in our case, this is projects. And if you want it to be two-way relation, so each database references to another one, you also check this option two-way relation. I guess that's fine for now. Let's add relation. And you can see we have this new property projects in our task database, and in project database you already can see tasks property. So let's fill some data. Yeah, actually we can select project one, for example, and project 2, and here let it be project 3. So we filled our data for tasks database, and let's check our project database. As you can see, we have data here as well. So that's how we link two databases referencing each other. Now let's check how we can use linked views. So linked views actually can be used when you want to display a view of another database somewhere else on another page, and maybe adjusted it somehow filtered or sorted, something like this. So as you can see here, I have this content plan database, which all my topics that I want to describe in my blog. And let's try to create a separate linked view on the same page. So to create this linked view, you type /linked view of database. Then you select which database we actually link to, which is content plan database. And here you can see that we already got this linked view. And what we can do now, we can, for example, filter it by article status. And let's check not started tasks. And you see we have a new, sorry, it was reference to, you have a new linked linked view to our database where you can see only those tasks that are not yet started. As you can see, I also did something like this before. I created a linked view with all the tasks that were done and called done. Here we did it on one and the same page, but apparently you can use this link views for to display on other pages, on different pages. Well, I guess that's it. Hope it was useful. Thanks for watching.